So I took a pregnancy test this morning and it was negative, which was like confusing, I guess, because I feel like we've done everything right and everything that I was told to do. And so went to work this morning, just tired. I didn't sleep very well. I don't know if I was like anxious to take the test or what, but so I'm thinking that I just took it too early. I don't know what else it could be, to be honest. I had like spotting on one day around when it could have been implantation day, per all the research that I've done. And then I've had like kind of spotting the past couple days, but it hasn't increased, which makes me think it's not a period because I've never had that not happen before. But like I mentioned in my notes from when I had Cooper, I had some spotting around when I had tested positive and then for a few days after. So I'm just thinking that it's like it's gotta be just too soon. Like I just ovulated later or something. Because it just doesn't make sense. So with all those symptoms and us following all like everything that they said to do in the correct order and for the correct period of time, I just feel like it's just wrong. And like I went for a jog yesterday with Cooper in the stroller, and for the past like couple months and over the summer it was a lot easier, and it was just hard yesterday. So I just think that it's wrong. So my plan is to take a test. Let's see, today's Tuesday, so maybe like Thursday or Friday, Thursday or Friday. And then we'll see. And by that time I probably would have started my period if it was gonna come, because it's supposed to start in like 2 days or whatever the app says. So I just think I took it too early. I don't know what else. I mean, it's just, yeah, confusing and frustrating, I guess. And I don't know, like, it's just, yeah. So that's my plan. Riley doesn't know. Like I did before, and like when we miscarried, I just waited. I like took a test and it was positive, and then I waited like 3 or 4 days later and took another test because I wanted to be sure I knew what was going on, because I don't know, I like want to spare his feelings if something is wrong, and spare the anxiety in between the tests if something were to go wrong like the first time. So I don't know, just the whole like loss before, and then a viable child, and then trying to do this again in the way we knew worked before, but there's still a lot of like fear and unknown, and I don't know, it's just an interesting experience. So that's the plan. Take another test on probably Thursday or Friday if I haven't started my period. And then if it's still negative, I guess I just reach out to my doctor and see what we need to do. I'll have to take probably two different medications instead of just one. Or maybe they'll just get me in and test my HCG levels, and maybe they're just really low. I just don't know. It's confusing and it's hard, and I don't know. I should have expected it, I guess. It's just, none of fertility and stuff has ever been easy for us. Well, for me, I mean, yeah. So yeah, take another test again later this week, and then we will see what happens.